Okay, today we're going to work together to sound out some words. So I'm going to show you the letters one at a time. I'll say the sounds and you can repeat them. Then see if you can solve the word. Are you ready? P, E, G. What's the word? Did you guess peg? Nice job. Let's try the next one. I, T. What's the word? Did you say hit? That's right. Let's try again. A, T. What's the word? Rut. Nice job. One more of these. Z. A. P. What's that word? Zap. Nice job. Now let's change the first sound. Let's take out that Z. And let's add in a K. What's the new word? Add in that K. And now we have the word cap. Okay, let's try another one. Let's take the word cap and change it again. This time, let's take out the K and let's put in an. What's the new word if we put an in the beginning? If we add in an now we have map. Map. Did you get map? Give yourself a pat on the back. Let's change it one more time. Okay, we're going to take out the in map and let's make it a t this time. What would the word be if it starts with a t? Let's add in that t. Now we have t, app, tap. Great job. You are going to see a worksheet that looks a little bit like this on your assignment. What you're going to do is you're going to take the word in the beginning and sound it out, and then change that beginning sound to match the picture. When you know how to write it, you're going to write out the new word. So the first word here is k, at, cat. I need to change the word cat to make it hat. What letter should I change? Listen. K, cat. H, hat. Do you hear the beginning sound change? The rest of the word should stay the same. So I would leave the A and the T. But here on the lines where I'm going to write it, I'm not going to write a C first. That would say cat. I need to fill in the letter that would make the H sound in hat. You're going to continue to do that for the rest of the page. You'll sound out the word. Try and change it to this word by spelling the new word on the line. Good luck!